Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this one pot chicken rice. Turn on your rice cooker, and when it's hot, put in the coconut oil. When the coconut oil is hot, put in the minced garlic and cook it till golden brown. Smells good. You're gonna use it for toppings later, so after it turns golden brown, we have to take it out and set aside. So here's the garlic. I scoop it out from the rice cooker. Now let's put in the sliced ginger. So you'll notice that your rice cooker will switch into keep warm. You can close it for a while and then press the rice cooking like for 10 seconds, and then you can open it and then check your ginger. Now let's check our ginger inside. Ooh, look at that. Smells good. Now we can put in our chicken. Mix it. Let it simmer for 10 minutes. And press rice for cooking. After 5 minutes, let's check our chicken. And stir it. And cover it back. So after 10 minutes, let's check our chicken. Oh my goodness, look at that. Yummy. Look at how you brown the chicken. And this time, let's put in our pre-washed rice. Let's put in our chicken cubes, 1 chicken cube. And then let's combine them. Combine it with all your love. And I'm sure you're going to have a yummy dinner. And I have this water. This is 3 1/4. I use this rice measuring cup, so I use 3 cups of rice and I put 3 1/4 of water. Yes. And let's mix them. Okay, and wow, smelling good already. Look at the ginger. And let's cover it and cook it for 20 minutes. Okay, there you go. Set your timer, guys, and let's check it after 20 minutes. It's 17 minutes only, and my cooker switch into keep warm. So what you have to do is just press it down to continue the cooking for 3 more minutes. So this is 20 minutes. Let's check our rice. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Smelling good. Let's see our chicken. Oh, it really cooked perfectly. Look at that. Now let's serve dinner.